Good morning students. Today our topic is sexual reproduction in plants. In angiosperm, flowers are modified for sexual reproduction. Thus it is through flower that sexual reproduction takes place in plants. So for sexual reproduction, flower has following parts. First one is petals, second one is sepals, then stamen, and last one is carpel. These parts help in sexual reproduction. Now, let us explain these parts one by one. First one is sepals. Sepals are green, leaf-like structure at the base of the flower. It forms an outermost wall of the flower. Next one is petals. These brightly colored parts of flower is called petals because they have to attract insects for pollination. So, what is pollination? So, pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same or the different flower. They also constitute the second wall of the flower. Now, stamen. It is a male part of the flower. It has cylindrical stalk called filament. On the filament, there is a bob-like structure called anther. Anther contain a yellow color powder which also contain small spore-like structure called pollen grains. So these are the pollen grains that are transferred from male sexual organ to female sexual organ. Now carpel. Carpel is the female part of the flower. The top sticky part is called stigma. The middle part is called style and the swollen basin end of the same called ovary. Ovary contains small granule-like structure called ovules. The another name of the ovules is egg or ovum. So this is the female part. When pollen grain from the stamen fall on the stigma of the same or on the another flower, germinate a tube like structure that penetrate the styles and the ovary and enter the ovule, which causes fertilization. The zygote develop into an embryo. Embryo give rise to seed, which on later germinate into a new plant. So this is how sexual reproduction takes place in plants. Thank you.